All right, welcome back. Hey, working on this gate, and this is the last things I've got to do, the front and back gate. I didn't buy the heaviest duty, but what I did do is a few extra things that I do. For instance, I'm using a through bolt system, making sure to add lock washers to both sides, both top and bottom. I also insert a big washer that allows this to float around that casting nub. Same thing on the bottom there. The other thing I do is I bolt through the gate hasp, and that allows this from just being hit with a hammer to drop the gate. And I also throw a chain around the hinge side so it can't just be taken. It's lag bolted. We'll show you that. On the latch side, basically I have my latch chain, and it is also lag bolted. I use one staple for the tag end because I don't need all that chain when I just grab it. And the other side is done the same way. This is the extra bit. Once I bolt through, put an eye bolt in, turnbuckle, section of cable down through the bottom down here. What that does is it keeps the gate from sagging. And most people, when they walk up to a gate, notice it's locked, they're going to climb over on the latch side. So in order to keep it from sagging overly, especially these lighter duty gates, I insert, timber screw piece of wood right where the latch side, so when you do step on it, it takes all the weight off of the gate. And I also just add a point out there when the gate is open that you can come over and throw your lash around and keep your gate open. That's my gate story, and I'm going to stick to it.